In this video, we are going to see how we can restrict the visibility of the post to a certain users on Facebook. Let's say that you created a post, whether it's a video, whether it's a image-based post or a text-based post, and you just want to share it with a limited group of people with limited community. Here's how you can do it. First of all, just head over to the top right hand corner on your profile icon and click on settings and privacy. And from here, we go to settings. And from most visited settings, we click on the blocking button. And here you can see the restricted list. When you add someone profile to your restricted list, they won't see your post on the Facebook, that share only to the friends. We want to access this option. So click on edit and you can add to restricted list with your name of a friend. So you can add all of those persons whom you want to restrict the visibility of the post for certain users, like I said. And apart from this restricted list, all the other people can see your post. It depends on the further visibility, whether you have set it to public or to a specific friends that is added in your friend list. And that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.